Alright, just to give you a quick, if you end up in the same position, what to do or what not to do. I was replacing the light on my microwave over the range Maytag. But this is for any appliance that uses this stupid bulb right here. So I tried to unscrew it and literally like bing, just snapped off. So don't be a caveman. Don't use tools like this like I did. You're gonna get yourself in a lot of trouble. What I end up doing, because this little piece needs to be unscrewed. As you can see, it's all chewed up, thanks to me. Not necessary. So after about a half an hour, I came up with this solution. It's just a piece of wood and it's sharpened, so I can stick it inside of this stupid little metal part and just unscrew it like you would regularly unscrew it. But now that I'm cleaning up, instead of finding, if you can't find a wood, literally Home Depot pencil like this can also be used. You're gonna have to cut it, but it can also be used to unscrew, because the problem is there's only about 1.5 inch space right here, so you're gonna have to cut it and then sharpen it. So yeah, this was my little solution to a problem that I created to myself. Like I said, don't be a caveman like I was. Just get a little piece of wood like that and just stuck it in and unscrew it. All right, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.